In this talk, we are going to talk about the how you can download and install JDK in your computer. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. These are the some steps which you need to follow for downloading the JDK. For downloading the JDK, Java Development Kit. Downloading and installing JDK is the initial step for developing Java applications. So I'm going to tell you some steps which you need to follow to download the JDK from the official website. So first, what you need to do, you need to go to the Oracle JDK download page. This is the official Oracle website, or just you need to check a trusted source for JDK downloads. Then next step is select the version. Then here what you need to do, choose the appropriate JDK version based on your requirements. Consider whether you need the latest version or a specific version based on compatibility needs. And after that, you need to, this is going to be a third step, accept the license agreement. Accept the license agreement. Oracle's JDK download page usually require accepting the terms of service or license agreement before proceeding with the download. So that is why you need to accept the license agreement for downloading the JDK. Then you need to go for the choose the platform. As a fourth step, you need to choose the platform. What you need to do, select the download link that correspond to your operating system. Like if you are using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. and its architecture, like it's a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit. So you need to choose there, and now it's good to go to download the JDK, and it will start downloading in your computer. Okay, these are the some steps which you need to follow for downloading the JDK. For installation process, you need to follow these 5 steps and you will good to go. So first step is run the installer. First step is run the installer, and after that you follow the installation instructions. And third step is select the installation location. If you want to change the location, so you need to change the location. But if you want to leave as default, so that is also you can do. And after that you need to set the environment variable. I'll tell you how you can set the environment variable. But before that, let me explain the steps. Then after that, we will see as a practical way if any doubt you are having here. So when I do practical, you will no longer have any doubt because I'll show you how to do it. All these steps like run the installer, follow the instructions, what type of instruction is there. I'll tell you all these steps. I'll tell you, and it would be very easy for you when I show you the steps. So once you set the environment variables, your installation will complete. Once the installation is completed, so now how to know that JDK is installed in your operating system or not? So how you are going to check? So for that I'll tell you how to check. So for the verification, like you have installed the JDK in your operating system, so where you get to know that it is installed correctly and now you can use that. Okay, for verifying the installation, what you need to do, just open a command prompt or terminal window and type Java version. Just type Java -version, yes, to check if the JDK is properly installed in your operating system or not. And once you write this command on command prompt, it will display the Java version which is installed in your operating system. So these are the steps which you need to follow to install the JDK in your operating system. Or if you are having any doubt here, don't worry. In the next lecture, I'll show you practically every steps, how you need to follow the instructions, how you need to download the JDK from the official website of oracle.com, and how you need to check practically. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, I'll show you all these steps practically in my next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.